Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. If you're interested in learning how to earn over $700 every day, then make sure to continue watching this video. I'll demonstrate exactly how I achieved this. I've been using this method for a long time, and I can assure you that it works. Moreover, I've assisted others in making hundreds of dollars each day by following the same approach. Now, I want to extend my help to you as well. So, if you're ready to start making substantial profits, let's dive right in. Today, we'll be utilizing an AI platform called Tales Factory, which simplifies the creation of illustrated storybooks using AI technology. Whether you're a professional author or simply someone who enjoys storytelling, Tales Factory can bring your stories to life. The best part is that it takes care of the illustrations, eliminating the need for you to draw them yourself and ensuring visually appealing and professional results. One aspect I truly appreciate about Tales Factory is its user-friendly nature. You don't require any special skills or prior experience to use it. All you need is your imagination and a touch of creativity. The platform provides guidance at each step, ensuring you stay on track and avoid confusion. Now that you're familiar with Tales Factory, let's move on to step 1 of making money with it. Step 1. Sign up for Tales Factory to get started. Head over to their website at www.talesfactory.app. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by a welcoming landing page featuring a prominent button that says Get Started for free. Simply click on that button to begin the sign-up process. I appreciate that Tales Factory offers a quick sign-in process. You can choose to sign up using either your Google or Twitter account. With Tales Factory, you won't waste time filling out lengthy, mundane forms. Instead, you can use an existing account. Step 2. Create a story. Once you've successfully logged into Tales Factory, you'll encounter a large text box in the center of the screen. Here, you can input your story prompt. The level of detail in the prompt is entirely up to you, depending on the amount of control you desire over the final product. For this video, let's use the pre-given prompt provided by Tales Factory, which is a brave young girl sets out to save her village from a dangerous monster. After entering your story idea or prompt, click on the Generate button, and the AI will begin generating a series of illustrated pages that align with the theme of your story. The illustrations in Tales Factory are professionally designed and visually stunning right from the start. You can immediately get a sense of how your story will look in its final form. I was genuinely amazed by how effortless it was to create such visually captivating stories with Tales Factory. The best part is that the illustrations are automatically generated, so you don't need any drawing skills to create professionally designed content. Step 3. Sign up for Canva. Now that we have all the illustrations for the storybook, it's time to enhance its visual appeal. We'll use a fantastic tool called Canva to design an eye-catching cover for your children's storybook. To begin, you'll need to sign up for Canva. Signing up for Canva is incredibly simple. Just visit their website and look for the purple Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page. Once you find it, click on it and you're on your way. Canva offers different sign-up options. Personally, I prefer using my existing Google or Facebook account for a quick sign-up with just a few clicks. Choose the option that works best for you, connect your existing account, and you're in. However, if you prefer to create a brand new Canva account, you can do that too. Simply enter your email address, follow a few simple steps, and voila, your account is created. It's as easy as that. Step 4. Design your storybook cover. Once you're signed up, you can explore all of Canva's features, including its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and extensive library of design elements. The best part is that it's all available for free. You can sign up for Canva and start creating beautiful designs without spending a dime. Of course, if you want to take your designs to the next level, there are premium features that you can choose to pay for. However, the free version of Canva is powerful enough to meet most of your design needs. You'll discover a variety of professionally designed templates that you can customize. When designing your storybook cover, let your creativity soar and select colors and fonts that align with the desired tone. And enjoy the rewards of your hard work. The theme and tone of your story are up to you. You can go for a cool and playful vibe or aim for something more magical and enchanting. Experiment with different elements like illustrations, borders, and backgrounds until you find the perfect combination that screams "pick me up" and "read me." Remember, the cover is the first thing that catches a reader's eye, so make it shine. Here's a tip: don't be afraid to embrace your inner child while designing the cover. After all, we're talking about children's storybooks, and adding fun is a must. Step 5. Get your storybook listed on KDP Amazon. Now that you've completed your storybook, it's time to elevate it to the next level and share it with the world. We'll use a game-changing platform called KDP Amazon, which allows you to list and sell your book on the largest online marketplace, Amazon. Simply go to kdpamazon.com and create an account. Trust me, this platform is like a magical portal that connects your book with readers from all around the globe. Let me give you the rundown on KDP Amazon. It's a platform that simplifies the entire process of selling your book. All you need is a PDF version of your storybook and the captivating cover you just designed. Once you've signed up and logged in, you can unleash your storybook to the world with a few simple clicks. Fill in some details about your book, such as the title, author name, and book description. The best part is that Amazon takes care of all the printing and shipping for you. Every time someone falls in love with your story and places an order, Amazon works its magic and brings your book to life, printing and shipping it directly to the reader's doorstep. It's like having your very own publishing team without the hassle. Each time Amazon prints and ships one of your storybooks, you'll receive a royalty, so your hard work and creativity will pay off. While Amazon handles the printing and shipping, you can easily track your sales and royalties through your KDP Amazon account. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Let Amazon work its magic, and soon you'll start earning royalties, living the passive income life you've always dreamed of. Step 6. Explore other money-making possibilities. Apart from selling your storybook on Amazon, there are numerous exciting avenues to explore. One of them is Etsy, where you can convert your illustrations into irresistible digital products. List the PDF version of your storybook on Etsy, and trust me, it will sell like hotcakes. Setting up a shop on Etsy is easy, and you'll connect with a whole new audience that appreciates the beauty and charm of your work. Another fantastic platform to check out is Creative Fabrica, a hub of artistic wonders where you can sell digital products like fonts, illustrations, and design assets. The possibilities here are endless. Don't limit yourself to just one path. Explore all the different online marketplaces available and witness your bank account grow. Now there's an abundance of websites and opportunities to make money, and I understand how overwhelming and confusing it can be. That's why it's helpful to know the best ways to make money. I've tested out this strategy for you so you can give it a try. I hope this information proves valuable to you. If it does, I would greatly appreciate it if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. See you next time.